How to install Cursor AI on Windows. First, open your favorite web browser and go to cursor.com. Once the website loads, click the Download button. Cursor will automatically detect your operating system and download the Windows installer. When the download is complete, open the installer file and click Yes if Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device. The installation will begin automatically. Just wait a few moments for Cursor AI to finish installing. Once the installation is complete, click Launch Cursor, or open it from the Start menu. When Cursor opens for the first time, sign in with your Google, GitHub, or email account, depending on the options available. Next, choose your preferred settings. If you're already using Visual Studio Code, Cursor can import your extensions, themes, and keyboard shortcuts to make the transition easier. That's it. You've successfully installed Cursor AI on your Windows PC.